Hi you guys, so today in my channel we're gonna go ahead and uncoil and recoil my budget planner, and it's gonna be for this specific one. As you guys know and you guys have seen in my channel this throughout the entire year, this has been my budget planner for the entire year. Like, I have not derived from it. I believe it even started in December. Was it December? Yeah, December or November of 2019. And I've loved this planner. I really have. Now, the bad thing is that this planner ended in October. That was the end of this planner. And I had to move in to a new planner, which was the 2021 planner. And this one started in July, which I did not use. I didn't start using it until November, which is this month. However, I really want to keep the entire year in this planner and then archive it, because I love keeping my planners together and keeping them for memory keeping. And I want to go ahead and put these unused calendars in the back of the planner, so you know, at least I can have the January through October kind of ending as just the guts of this one. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and uncoil this, the one that I'm using currently, which is an Erika 7x9 monthly planner. It's on sale right now for 30% off because they're having their Black Friday sale. So if you're interested, I'll have a link down below. This cover is from them. This cover is from the Gold Project. She has a digital download that you can put up on the Erika site, and then they'll print it out for you guys. So you can also grab this. So that's how that. But anyway, I want to go ahead and uncoil this. I've done it before on my channel with horrible tools. So what I did is I went ahead on Amazon and I grabbed some Urban long nose pliers. Now, I've never done this before. I've done it with like some horrible pliers, and this is the first time I'm gonna do it with like some actual good pliers. So we're gonna test this out. Now, this may or may not hurt my hand, so I do not recommend doing this on your own. If you have someone that can help you, by all means go ahead and do it. But since I don't, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it myself, because I can't be relying on Bae to help me out all the time. Okay, independent woman over here, whatever, we're gonna have to deal with it. So from what I see, you can go ahead and just undo this ring thing on one side only. So I'm gonna do the bottom one since you don't really see it. Or I should do the top, I'm not sure. But anyway, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to straighten out this part to make it look like a circle, and then you can uncoil it down. So let's take out these covers. Let me see the best point to grab. Okay, that is the one we're trying to straighten out. You see? You guys, I didn't know I was not recording, but anywho, I can't believe I wasn't recording. I went ahead and I just lifted this up with these pliers. I literally just lift up, and yeah, it's like butter. So I totally recommend those pliers. Super easy and simple. I can't believe I was not recording. I only realized it now, and I'm like halfway through. This has been the most simple uncoiling process ever, and I'm mad that I didn't record it. I thought I was recording. I was talking this whole time. And I only coiled the top part, not the bottom. But the good thing is I got another planner that I have to do it so I can show you exactly how I did it. So, I'm so freaking excited! That was so simple. So I have my coil for this one, and all I'm gonna go ahead and do is remove the months that were not used in this planner. So I'm gonna take August, September, and October. Ooh, yeah, okay, October. Let's take October. Actually, I'm gonna leave this page here, right? Now I'm gonna take this page with me. I'm going to take all of this, set it aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and take December. Let's leave that there. Actually, I'm going to take this whole thing. I'm going to take all of November, December, and I'm going to put these on the side because these are the ones that I'm going to go ahead and coil with my 2019-2020 planner. So I'm going to put these on the side. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do, so this one says January, March, June. This one ends in June. Then I'm going to shove those in there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab, it's supposed to be 9 pages, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So we're just going to leave that there. And we're going to go ahead and stick, we're going to go ahead and stick July in here with the rest of August and September. Okay, I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to put it right before July starts. I'm going to put that here, just like that. So like that, when October ends, it goes straight into the 22 calendar and whatnot. So that's great. So now we have all of this. Let's get this all back together. Now, if you don't mind the tab situation, then that's great. But the tab situation won't be its best because we won't have like December and November up here. It'll just be weird right there. But anywho, nothing changed. I just put the ones here, put them in the back so it can be more helpful. And then all I'm going to do is recoil it. So this is where a good clamp comes in, but I don't have either of that. But you can see how like the holes line up. You can see right through it. So that's good. Now all I'm going to do is put this little charming coil in there, and we're gonna just go ahead and re-roll it. I'm gonna make sure all the pages get grabbed because you might miss a couple and you don't want to do that. One more loop out of this one. There it is. I did it! Now all I gotta do is push that one down into it. Hopefully we're done with this one. So this one, all you have to do is, I believe you twist it in there. Just grab it, shove it in there. Just like that. It's not gonna be pretty like that one, but hey, it's in there. So I now have Erin Condren as January to October in this one. So I'm gonna put the cover back on this one. Let's get the other one started because I need to put these pages in there. So these are the pages that I took out of that planner, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab this planner and I'm going to uncoil it. So I'm going to go ahead and rip these off. I'm going to miss this cover, but I already have a cover that's going to be my new one, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out. And we're only going to do this side. So we're going to pull it out. Just like that. I pulled it too much. So just put it back in. I'm going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and see if it'll uncoil. Okay, that took a minute. The bottom part is the top part and the bottom are a little chewed up, but I got it off. This one didn't come out smooth as the other one, but the other one I wasn't filming, so I feel like an idiot. But anywho, got the whole coil out, and all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. So we know the planner ended up in October. So here's how October looks. Let me see. Page trick 1, page trick 2. I think that's how it's gonna end up looking. Actually, let me put this one. Ooh, that might be difficult. Just gonna put it in here. Screw it. Just like that. Shove those back in there. And then I'm gonna put this one in here. Just like that. With the rest of the pages lined up. And then I'm just gonna recoil it, and this one's gonna be a lot harder since this one is packed with stickers. Now, like I said, the tabs are gonna be like off-centered and everything, but at this point, who cares? This is just like to keep as memory keeping, and I'm perfectly fine with it. So the pages do align, as you guys can see, but now the problem is I don't have clamps to hold these down together, so it can be a smooth transition. So I'm gonna figure out, just like I did the other one, how I'm gonna get this thing to go in there peacefully, which I doubt. Alright, you guys saw that. They helped because there was no way my hand was gonna do any of that. This one's so fat and thick I cannot. Anywho, I gotta now somehow bend this one into the little socket in there. And there you guys go. This fat ass planner is now my 2019-2020 planner, budget planner. I'm gonna use this until I finish off December, and then I can go ahead and archive the crap out of it. And I'm gonna miss this cover, but before I let you guys go, and I totally destroyed my desk, you guys. I'm gonna have to redo that. I'm going to go ahead and show you the new cover for 2020 because I am so in love with it. And it literally kind of makes me think of the one I originally have. Hustle is Real. Like, I really enjoyed this cover. Like, that's been my favorite cover. Like, I haven't changed that out in a very long time. So, I wanted to go ahead and share my new one because this is going to be my 2021 budget planner cover. I'll it up from down here, but this is gonna be my new 2021 budget cover, and isn't that stinking gorgeous, you guys? This is beautiful. So this is actually from the Erin Condren and Black Artist collaboration, and I really love the abstract colors on it, and since it had hues of blue and green, I really enjoyed those colors, so I was really happy when I saw this. So I like something fun, and all I did was title it Budget Time. So this is gonna be my new cover. I am so happy with it. It is so beautiful. And this one is by the artist called Roma Osowo, and it's called Broken to Beautiful. And her Instagram handle is roma.artist. So this is the cover that I am so excited about. And this is gonna be me. This is gonna be my new budget cover. So I'm really happy. I'm actually really happy about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget that you can grab one of these planners on sale on the Erin Condren site right now. I'll leave the link down below. It helps me as a content creator because they are affiliate links. It doesn't cost you a thing to use them, but I do get a small commission, which keeps my channel running. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!